Howdy folks, and welcome back to the channel. Well, I was snow blowing yesterday and the belt flew off of the auger on this thing. So, there's the one I bought. I'm hoping it's the right one. My oldest son and my middle son, they took it all apart yesterday. I didn't even get to see how it came apart. So he's going to get a belt because he's got the old belt that was a little too long. So he's trying to find one that he thinks is going to be the right one. I haven't even tried to put this one on. This is the one that the manual calls for, but this thing is such a hodgepodge of parts. I don't even know if it's the gonna work as the right belt or not or anything. I just went off the number that was on this, but I don't think that came off of this snowblower, to be honest with you. So when he gets here, we'll throw this thing back together and see if it works. We got a big storm coming tomorrow, so I'm gonna need it. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I forgot to grab the camera. Anyways, I got a new belt on there. I'll show you how you can like wedge it in there and turn the pulley and it'll pull it. It'll wedge it in there and get it in the groove. It's kind of tricky. But you feed it up through there, right through there, so you don't have to split the whole thing in half. You can snake it right up in there. Alright, let me get this set up so I can finish putting this back together. Alright, let me grab this cover here. Now that we got the belt on the bottom and everything, everything's all buttoned up now. Wish I could have a video of that. And I can explain what I had to do. It was easy getting it on down here. When I get to the top, I'll show you the tricky part. You get the bolts. Three big bolts up top here. Socket for that. I got two little ones right here. Oh, I got the one socket. Now we gotta find that bar. There it is. Just making it out here. Turn it around the other way. I like it to be like that. Flip her down. Grab the flashlight. Let me grab you guys and show you. Was missing a, let me get this stuck on there. Was missing something here. So I made there's a metal spacer in here now with this rubber hose over it, and that'll keep the belt from being able to jump off now. But yeah, that's everything put back together. Let me get the cover on it and we'll check it out. See if it works. Alright, let me find that cover. Bolts. Bolts. Got her covered. One bolt over here. Two bolts over here. A couple tacks on each one. It's just plastic after all. All put back together, and I'll set you up in front of it and we'll see if it'll spin now. There you go. Turn the gas on. Yeah, make sure you got the gas out when you do this, because when you tip it forward, you'll leak all your gas out. Alright, let's fire it up. Well, it works. Now we'll take it out in the snow tomorrow and see what happens. Get a video of that. Alright guys, well we got a little bit of snow. It's drifted up in spots. So I'm going to set you guys up and we'll get the snowblower out and we'll take care of this. Alright, let me go get the snowblower. Alright, let me set you guys up over here and we'll get down the driveway here. It's working pretty good. I bent the propeller a little bit. I just pulled it right over. So it's actually shooting some snow now. A little bit anyway. There we have it, folks. All snow blowed out. Supposed to get a pretty good storm coming here this weekend, so take a look. I say we probably only got about 6 inches at the most. It was all blowing and drifting, so it's a lot thinner in some spots and a lot thicker in others. Like up on the deck. Need to shovel that off. I did get all the parts, well, I think all the parts for the interceptor end. So hopefully we can start on that real soon here. Pretty chilly out here with the wind chill. Well, snowblower's fixed, so she lives to see another day. And we'll get on this real soon. That'll be our next video. I'll probably be tackling some of this stuff. So if you like this content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.